Do you have the hiccups? Does somebody have the hiccups? Do you? Do you have the hiccups? Do you? It's very frustrating when you're trying to eat and you get the hiccups. Isn't it? It's very frustrating when I'm trying to eat and I get the hiccups. Isn't it? Can you tell us about having the hiccups? No, just sort of disappointed that they won't go away. Oh well, maybe it'll go away soon. Oh.